Older people may have more serious complications, but the driving force of infections continues to be young people. Many who have not changed their summer party plans just because we're in a global pandemic. New at 5, Kaitlin Knapp shows us the concerning trends in Spokane-County.
Aaron and Nia, some of those concerning trends are the lack of face masks and social distancing. Dr. Bob Lutz said it's going to take a lot of work to slow the spread, and everybody needs to work together to help.
It's unfathomable to me at this point how they cannot be taking this seriously.
Cases continue to rise in Spokane-County. The trend? More younger people are being infected than any other age group. 758 people between 20 to 29 years old have tested positive for the virus in Spokane-County, nearly 30% of our cases. Statewide, 39% of the cases come from people between 20 to 39.
Young people have parents, young people have grandparents, and they are putting all of their family members at risk.
The health district is struggling for how to reach them.
A lot of these different social media channels require following, and we know that this group isn't going to necessarily reach out and try to follow the health district, unlike maybe an older audience that is actually out there reaching out for good information.
Dr. Bob Lutz doesn't mean young people can't enjoy summer, but it has to be different this year.
Young people gather, but if they gather, they need to gather safely.
That means staying 6 feet apart from each other, whether you're at a park or backyard barbecue.
Masks are something where you need to be wearing them in public settings when you are out, even when you can socially distance. In and of itself, it's not enough. Masks need to be worn. We know now about masking is that it does make a difference.
Lutz calls it pro-social behavior because it said it impacts how we interact with people. Without social distancing, wearing a mask, or staying home when you're sick, Lutz said we won't slow the growth of COVID-19.
We don't want to be like Florida, folks. We don't want to be like Arizona. But the behaviors that we saw driving their cases are the same behaviors that are happening here. I just got off the phone with...
Now, Dr. Lutz said new numbers are showing that a lot of people from Spokane County are going to Idaho on the weekends. Coming up at 6, I'll explain how Spokane Regional Health hopes to team up with Panhandle Health to flatten the curve. Live in studio, Kaitlin Knapp for News Now.